So here's how you can send HEIC photos on the WhatsApp through the Android. So that's kind of how it works. Let me show you exactly what you can do about it. And if it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything. Now, of course, you make sure you have the WhatsApp application ready on your device, that you are signed in and everything. And when you get inside of the, the gallery or the upload page for the images, you will have the ability to basically pick a photo from the gallery, and I have the option to select the one which is the latest one. This is the picture, and the thing is that this particular image is in the HEIC format, so I have the ability to upload it directly to the chat. I can send it no problem, and it should work just fine, right? So when I check it out inside of the gallery, you can see that the format is in fact the one which I mentioned. So it also works and the WhatsApp supports it. So if yours doesn't have that functionality, make sure you update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And other possible issue would be if it still doesn't work, you can use a converter where you can convert the HEIC, the high efficiency file, to the JPEG. So as I said, you can use an app to convert it, or even a website where you upload your images and have it converted online. So if it doesn't work in any case, you can always just switch it back to the JPEG and then send it through WhatsApp. But I believe that it should work. Let me know in the comments below if it worked out for you. If there was a problem, let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well.